Student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Mizanur Rahman. Welcome to online class. Today our subject BGST, chapter 7, lesson 5. By the grace of Allah, we are going to start our lesson. Okay, my dear student, already you have known about the topics, our topics. Okay. Our lesson name is Organ of Bangladesh Government. Let's start. Okay, already you have done about the what is government, what is state. Today again I will discuss about the government and state. You know, government is the basic controlling power of a state. Without government you cannot think about the state. So it is very important part to our lesson or chapter. Okay. So my dear student, our lesson name is different organs and function of the government of Bangladesh. Structure and formation of the various organ of Bangladesh government. I have drawn a picture Bangladesh government organ. First on legislature or legislative or Jatiyo Sangsad, executive and judiciary. Okay. How and why Bangladesh government has three organs? You know, human body organ like hand. Without hand you cannot do anything easily. So hand is needed for human body. Like government has needed organ like legislature, executive and judiciary. Okay. Government is the basic controlling power of the state. The state performs all its activities by the government. It cannot run without government. Government has to perform various type of function to run the state. For example, state ensure our food, education, security, etc. Government has to formulate various kinds of law, welfare of the people. If anyone violates the law, he or she will be punished by the state. To perform this type of function of the state, government has three organs: legislature or legislative or Jatiyo Sangsad, executive and judiciary. Okay, my dear student, the first name of the organ, structure and function. You have to memorize structure and function. Without memorize structure and function, you cannot give answer right properly. So it is very important part to you. Name of the organ first in legislature. Structure consists of 350 members. How many members? 350 members. Among 350 members, 300 members are elected from 300 constituencies by the direct vote of the people, while 50 more seats are reserved for women. In the reserved seat, women members are elected by the members who are elected by the direct vote. That means in the reserved seat, women members are elected indirectly. But again 300 constituencies, the women member can be elected from any constituency by the direct competition. So two opportunity giving for women. Now what is constituency? Constituency means that in Bangladesh 64 district, but in Bangladesh divided for the election 300 part, that is constituencies. In the legislature, term is জাতীয় সংসদ or জাতীয় সংসদ, term is 5 years. There is one speaker, one deputy speaker, one speaker and one deputy speaker. The responsibility of the speaker is to conduct all activities relating to the sessions of parliament. Deputy speaker assist him. In absence of speaker, deputy speaker presides over the parliament. That is the structure of legislature. Now function. First one, enacts and amends general law. It also ventilates and expresses public opinion. Formulates and amends the constitution. Budget is approved by it. These four functions you have to memorize. Okay, first function, enacts and amends general law. It also ventilates and expresses public opinion, formulates and amends the constitution, budget is approved by it. Okay, now executive. Okay, at first, what is executive? What is the definition of executive? The organ which is entrusted with the administration of the country is called executive. In the wider sense, executive means officers and employees who are entrusted with the state function. In the real sense, we can say from head of the state, I mean the president, down to the village guard, all are the part of executive. I mean that those people are working during coronavirus, police officers, they are also executive. The executive function of the executive. What is the function of executive? Okay, the executive administrators the country and executes the laws passed by legislature. Which law has passed by legislature, that type of law executive will materialize. It maintains the internal law and order in the country, maintain relationship with foreign countries. It works for the defense. Liberty and sovereignty of the country. Okay, executive means that head of the state, I mean that president to village guard, those people are working that part of executive. And executive work or function, first on, second on, maintain the law, internal law and other the country, order in the country, maintain relationship with foreign countries. It works for the defense, liberty and sovereignty of the country. Okay, now judiciary. This is also very important part of important organ of Bangladesh government. Judiciary, it consists of judges of all the courts of Bangladesh. Here the highest court, Supreme Court. Supreme Court is the highest court of justice in the judicial department. The chief of this institution is called Chief Justice. The president appoints the Chief Justice. Supreme Court has two division, appellate division, high court division, and its function it makes civil life simple and beautiful and established fair justice. And second on safeguard of the constitution. Okay, again I will discuss judiciary. Judiciary consists of the judges of all courts of Bangladesh. Here Supreme Court is the highest court of justice in the judicial department. Chief of this institution is called Chief Justice. The President appoints the Chief Justice, and this Supreme Court has two divisions: Appellate Division and High Court Division. Now the work of judiciary: it makes civil life simple and beautiful and established fair justice. And second on safeguard of the constitution. This is the important topics. Okay, my dear student, all of you memorize in this like way: name of the organ, structure and function. You will write in this way and you also memorize, because it is very important lesson for you. Okay, bye, Allah Hafiz.